7.1 Practice Problem. Explain how a price ceiling works and show how a rent ceiling creates a housing shortage, inefficiency, and unfairness. Figure 1 shows the rental market for apartments in Corsicana, Texas. What is the rent and how many apartments are rented? If a rent ceiling is $900 a month is set, what is the rent and how many apartments are rented? The equilibrium rent is $800 a month and 3,000 apartments are rented. The rent ceiling is of $900 a month above the equilibrium rent. So the outcome is the market equilibrium rent of $800 a month with 3,000 apartments rented, because a price ceiling above the equilibrium price has no effect on the market. If a city government imposes a rent ceiling of $600 a month, what is the rent and how many apartments are rented? If a black market develops, how high could the black market rent be? Explain. With a rent ceiling of $600 a month, the number of apartments rented is 1,000 and the rent is $600 a month. In a black market, some people are willing to rent an apartment for more than the rent ceiling. The highest rent that someone would offer is $1,200 a month. This rent equals someone's willingness to pay for the 1,000th apartment. With a strictly enforced rent ceiling of $600 a month, is the housing market efficient? What is the deadweight loss? Is the housing market fair? Explain. The housing market is not efficient. With 1,000 houses rented at price cap of $600 imposed by government, demand exceeds supply or marginal benefit exceeds marginal cost and a deadweight loss arises. The deadweight loss is equal to the area of the gray triangle, which is 1,200 minus 600 times 3,000 minus 1,000 over 2. The deadweight loss is $600,000. The allocation of housing is less fair on both views of fairness. It blocks voluntary transaction and does not provide more housing to those most in need.